Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beaded heart only out of 2-hole beads that could be Superduo beads, twin beads or Asmara beads, whatever brand you have, and they are 5mm by 2.5mm and I'm using seed beads. You could use 11/0 or 10/0 seed beads, and you could use these as earrings, like a pendant or like a keychain decoration, or just put it on the Saint Valentine's table as decoration. And you see, depending on the brand that I'm using, here this height is wider, this one is smaller, so whatever you have, you will have different results. So if you want to support me and see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. And like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. And now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 2-hole beads, and you could use Superduo beads or twin beads or Asmara beads, whatever brand you like. They are 5mm by 2.5, and I'm using here 11/0 seed beads. I'm using nymo beading thread that is size O, which is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. I'm using size 10 beading needle, scissors. Here are how the hearts look in different colors, and I will put about 4 feet of thread on my needle, which is about 1.2 meters, and I will start. Okay guys, and I will start by taking 3 of these beautiful 2-hole beads, and I will slide them down, leaving a small tail here. Okay, now pay attention. I will go through my last bead from the other empty hole. So as I'm exiting from this hole here, I'm going through the other empty hole, just like that. And here I'm just holding my thread. Okay, I want this bead to go at this side with its empty hole. Okay, and I will take another twin bead here on my needle, and I will go through my first red bead. Okay, now you see what I have. I have this beautiful rhombus here. Now I will stick my needle in my mat, and I want to make a knot here, and I'm making my knot by going with my tail thread several times around this loop here, and then I will pull. This way I have a really secure knot. Okay, now what I do is that I go through those 3 beads, and I'm going from the other side. Okay, then I will go through these 3 beads again, just like that. Okay, now this is what I have. I will flip my work, and I will take one more twin bead. I'm sliding it down, and as I'm exiting from this hole, I will go through the other empty hole. Okay, this is how I go through my twin bead, and here I need one more twin bead, and then I'm going through the empty hole of my next twin bead. You could do this with 2-needle technique, and I will give a link to a tutorial where I'm using 2 needles to do this, but now I will use only 1. Okay, now I'm flipping my work because it's easier for me, and I will slide one more bead down, just like that. Here is what I have. Now I will take one twin bead slide it down again, and I will go through its other empty hole and back through it. Okay, you see what I have, and I'm going through all of those beads here in this direction. And now, as you see, in order to start my next row, my thread should be going out of this top hole and not from this bottom hole. That is why I want to reposition my thread. And in order to do this, I will go through the whole length of my work. And I will exit here. And here I'm exiting from my top hole. And now it's time to add another twin bead, okay? I'm sliding this down, going through its other empty hole and to the center of my work. Okay, then I need one more twin bead, and I'm going through this next twin bead through its top empty hole, and I'm taking just one more bead and going through the next one. Okay, now you know it's easier for me to flip my work. Okay, I'm taking one bead and I'm sliding it down. Now, like I did before, because now I expand my model, making this part of my heart the bottom part. Now I will slide this bead down, and I will turn its empty hole here towards my previous row, and I will go through all of my beads in this direction. You see what I have, and I'm pulling. Now guys, here you see I'm from the bottom hole of my twin bead, and that is why it's time to reposition. I'm going through all of those beads here. Now, since my thread is from this top hole, everything is okay, and I'm sliding one more of my twins, and I'm going back through its empty hole like I did up until now. Then I need one more, going through the next one, and I will repeat this. Okay, and it's easier for me to flip my work. And here my model is telling me that something's missing at this end compared to this one, so I need to take one more twin bead, slide it down, turn it in this direction in order to finish my pattern. Okay, okay, and you know what to do. I'm going from my bottom hole, so I need to reposition. Okay, and I need one more twin bead, sliding this down, going through its empty hole in this direction, taking one more, going through here, and I will finish my row the same way I showed you. And now guys, I have 5 beads that are sticking out, and in my next row that I will show you faster, I will have 6 beads that will be sticking out. So this one I will show you faster again. Okay guys, now I have 6 beads that are sticking out, and I will do everything like I did before, but there will be a little difference here in this row. So I'm adding this bead like I did before, going through its empty hole. Everything is the same. Then I'm adding one red bead, then one more, so I'm adding exactly 3 beads to the center of my work. Okay, and now I will add a seed bead instead of twin bead. Okay, this is what I do differently here. And then I will add a twin bead into one more, and this is my third one, flipping, and I will finish with by adding this one here. And again I will make some repositioning. I will go through all of my length here and through all of my length here. I will exit here and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I repositioned my thread and I'm here, but in fact what I should do is go one step back, and this is what I do differently in this row, because I was increasing until now, and now I will decrease my work. And I'm going through these twin beads, through its empty hole. I'm taking one and going through the next bead through its empty hole, one more, now again repositioning in order to finish my heart shape. You see here I'm not going through the last one but through the one before, and the same thing I do when I go from this side. You see, not going through the last one but through the one before, because I want to decrease it. Okay, and I'm going through its top empty hole, and now I'm taking just one seed bead and going here, and now my heart is ready. But what I want to do is add 5 seed beads here, in order to make this beautiful curve. And now I will go and exit here and I'll be back. Guys, and off camera I went through all the length of my work, and now I want to finish this part. And in order to finish it, I will go through some beads in this direction. Okay, I'm exiting out of this bead here, and I will go through its top hole, and I will do the same thing. Okay, then I'm here at the top, adding just one seed bead, going back like that, and I will do one more repositioning. Okay, and I'm exiting here, and still what I need are 5 seed beads. Okay, I have my 5 here, and I'm going here at the top through all of my beads. Okay, now this is what I have. My heart is ready. Now what I need to do is make some knots. Okay, I will go here at the back side of my work, and I will make a loop, and I will go once, and I will go second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Then I will go through some beads in this direction, and you might repeat this process if you want, or you could cut your thread. Okay, and now guys, my heart is ready. I have different color combinations, and you see how the size of the twins or Superduos or Smara beads from different brands change the size of the heart. This one is wider compared to the others, and you could do so many different combinations. You could use it as a keychain decoration, you could use it as a pendant, whatever you like, or you could use it as decoration of the Saint Valentine's table. So if you like what I'm showing you here, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment. And I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.